Hey everybody, Mtn Grandma here. Today I'm going to talk about my winter sowing outcome for the Black Beauty zucchini. And here is the start. I started inside. We will find out who did best, and also I want to chat about what I'm going to grow in this garden bed that you see here, and alongside of it to help deter squash bugs from coming into the garden and eating up my zucchini. So let's get started. All right, here it comes, the big reveal. There they are. Now, to be clear and fair, this little guy over here, and I'll kind of pick him up to where these are. I planted him on March 11th, started the seeds inside. These seeds were started April 7th, and I don't know, they almost look like they're almost the same size, even though these were planted 3 weeks later. So I really like the winter sowing method, at least for this one. I think that's a great outcome. Now let's talk about what I'm going to grow in this bed that I'm going to transplant them to. Right now I'm hardening them off. I'm going to let them sit out here for a bit today, and then probably put them in the ground tomorrow. But in this bed, what helps to deter squash plants are radishes. So you see these big guys back here? Those are horseradish root. Another thing that helps to deter radishes are marigolds. And you'll see I've got some popping up. I had them planting in here last year, so those help as well. Another thing I'm going to grow is dill, because dill is another one. Squash bugs also don't like really fragrant herbs. So if you plant, I've got oregano lining the border here, hoping that might be effective. Oregano will spread quickly, and I just didn't want to deal with having to pull that out of the bed. So I've got oregano here. Over here I've got comfrey, which I'm probably going to move, and I'm probably going to put peppermint here because peppermint is another good one that helps. Now you'll notice I've got garlic kind of planted. That's what all of this is. Planted throughout the garden. Garlic is supposed to be helpful too. Over here I've got beets growing, so nothing that will prevent, you know, bugs, but you can see there's a little guy. There's a little guy, there's a little guy. So the beets are doing well. So that's it, guys. What you want to plant are radishes, dill, peppermint, oregano, marigold. You can do nasturtiums also. I'm just not a big nasturtium fan because they're a trap plant. If I plant nasturtiums, I don't want them in my garden bed. I want them somewhere else. Not a bad idea, just keep that in mind. This is for my entry video for Grow Big TV's $100 Grow the Largest Zucchini Challenge. So I hope you all will go check out Grow Big TV, and I will keep you posted on these guys and let you know how they do. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. See you on the next one, and remember, keep your joy, folks.